Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Fly English Edu. I am Narasimha Reddy. In this video, I am going to tell you about the most ice-breaking question of an interview. Tell me something about yourself. After listening to this question, we have so many hurdles in our mind that we are in total confusion that where to start and where to stop. In this video, I am here to tell you how to answer the question. Tell me something about yourself in most simple manner. So, after listening to this question from the interviewer, two things you have to keep in your mind. The first one is you have to impress the interviewer. You have to impress the interviewer using the way of your answering. And the second thing is you have to clearly describe about your personal details, that what the interviewer really wants to listen from you. So in this video I am here to help you to how to answer the question in most simple and frequent manner. The first comes after listening to the question. The first comes name. Start with your name. We have two phrases to answer your name. The first thing is I am, or second thing is my name is. When you are answering the question, the first thing is I am. Start with your name. I am Narasimha Reddy, or my name is Narasimha Reddy. These are two most frequent and most formal phrases that we use when we are describing about our name. The second comes from the place where you have come from. The second thing is when you are describing about the place, use two phrases. I am from Guntur. I am from Guntur, or I belong to Guntur. So these are the two terms we use to describe about our place. So I am from Guntur and I belong to Guntur. So whatever the term that you use with proper manner. So third comes the qualification. To talk about the qualification, keep in your mind you need to talk only about your highest education qualification. So you need to use the phrases I am graduate in. For example, sometimes we get some candidates who have completed their post graduation also. If you are a postgraduate, do mention about your post graduation. The post graduation, I am post graduated in. And another phrase also you can use when you are describing about your qualification. The second phrase is start with my highest qualification is. My highest qualification is I am a postgraduate in English language and literature. So this is the most frequent term, and more formally we have another term. I have recently done my. If you are a fresher, you have recently completed your course, use the term, use the phrase I have recently done my post graduation in English language. And this is the proper way how to describe about your qualification. If you have done any kind of additional degrees or diploma courses related to the job that you are opting for now, do mention here itself. For example, sometimes you may do some sort of courses like diploma computer applications or some other courses like Java, C++, C language, any other courses, do mention in the qualification itself. Third comes the skills and the experience. Here we need to mention about the skills which are totally related to the job that you are opting now. When you are referring about your skills, the term, the phrase that you have to use in your mind, I am quite good in C language, or I am quite good in Java programming, or I am quite good in web designing. So these are the general phrases that you use when you are describing about the skills. Do keep in your mind that the skills are mostly related to the job which you are looking for now. The second thing is in this itself experience. So do mention about your experience along with the skills itself. For example, you have 5 years of experience. Use the phrase I am carrying an experience of 5 years in English language teaching. I am carrying an experience of 2 years in English language teaching. do mention all about your skills and experience in this itself. Next comes the family background. So I have seen so many candidates, they have something in their mind that is it necessary to mention about family background when we are telling about ourselves to the interviewer. Yes, it is necessary to tell about your family background to the interviewer. Otherwise the problem may occur. What is the problem? If you do not mention about your family background in this manner, the interviewer will ask you separately, tell me about your family background. So do mention about your family background here itself. When you are mentioning about the family background, do mention about, use these phrases to talk about my family background. To talk about my family background, along with my parents, I have a sibling. Or more formally, you can use, so far my family background is concerned. So this is the most frequent manner when you are telling about your family background. Use these two terms to talk about my family background or so far my family background is concerned. We are 3 members in my family. Along with my parents, I have a sibling. This is about your family background. The last one is your hobbies. So when you are explaining about, when you are describing about the hobbies that you have, do mention your hobbies in a light tone. Don't be enthusiastic to tell about your hobbies. Enthusiastic in the sense, don't be curious, don't overexcite to tell about your hobbies. Simply maintain a light tone and use the proper terms, like proper phrases like I have a couple of hobbies. I have a couple of hobbies. This is the most frequent and most formal term to describe about your hobbies. So finally, that's all about me, sir or ma'am, based upon the interview. So this is the proper form when you are telling something about yourself. When you heard the question, tell me something about yourself from the interviewer. This is the proper and simple format I just mentioned while focusing two things in your mind. The first one is impressing the interviewer, and second one is conveying the best about yourself. So I have observed many of the candidates when they are telling about themselves in interview. The thing is, mostly they use the term like, sir, my name is sir, I am Narasimha Reddy sir, I am from sir. If you use such kind of sir, 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 madam and repeatedly, it doesn't give a proper sense to the interviewer. Because when you start in the middle, sir, my name is Narasimha Reddy, I am from Guntur. Use that and end with the term, that's all about me, sir. Start with sir and end with sir. It will give a proper sense and it will give a proper idea to the interviewer to know about yourself at the best. Okay, if you use this format and if you convey to the interviewer about yourself, you will surely, I promise you that you will surely crack the interview and you will get the opportunity and you will be hired. Okay, thank you. For more videos, please subscribe to my channel Fly English Edu. Thank you.